Hi, this episode we are going to talk about how to increase the language of the child, how to increase the child's MLU, how to add more vocabulary in the language of the child, making it more fun and meaningful and easy for you as well as for the child. For example, start with the auditory goals. Now, this week we see that the child uses 4 to 5 word sentences and has auditory memory of 4 to 5 words in one sentence. No more 3 words now. So, we expect at least 4 or 5 words for the child to remember. So, therefore, the sentence we will give will be minimum 4 to 5 words sentence. For example, you say, make the froggy jump. Make the froggy jump. Fourth, make the puppy wag its tail. Make puppy wag its tail. 5. Or you're playing with the other animals and talk about that. Suppose you are doing any story or reading any book, then you can say, Tom went to Granny's house. Tom went to Granny's house. So 4 to 5 word sentences you are using. In receptive language goals, the child should be able to understand negatives and opposites. The concept of negative and opposite we are introducing. So everywhere you try to use the word no and don't as negatives. For example, rather than saying this is heavy, you say this is not heavy, this is light. This is not wet, this is dry. This is not rough, this is smooth. This is not dirty, this is clean. So everywhere you are using opposites and in between you're using negative. No, meaning remains the same. Also, when you talk about it, you say it's light, rough, smooth. So you add more adjectives, more descriptive adjectives. The child should understand all these words. Coming to expressive vocabulary, the child should be using more descriptive adjectives automatically and spontaneously when the child is talking to you. The child should be using more words than rough and smooth and like shiny, pokey, edgy, zigzag. All these new words should be used. And they will come only when we use with the child. Coming to speech goals, we continue with Y. Lot of auditory bombardment with the sound of Y. So pick up all the words possible during your interaction with the child, which start with Y. Like yesterday, Yankee Doodle, yes, all the words which come with year, with Y in the beginning, work on that and talk about that. In speech, also continue the previous goals. Whatever the consonant you have been working on with the child, now you expect the child to use those consonants that sound correctly in the words. Or if the child does not, make him or her repeat the sentence. So make the children repeat 4 to 5 word sentences so that their MLU also increases and their auditory memory span also increases. So for example, when you're saying make the froggy jump, so what did you hear? What did I say? Or what will you do? So the child has to say, make the froggy jump. If the child says, make the froggy, then don't just add jump. Then say, make the froggy jump. So the child has missed that word, say it loudly. So you're drawing the child's attention to that. In the books, we have picked up the book Pat the Puppy. This is the book, Pat the Puppy. Now, why this book is selected? Because in this there will be an opportunity to use 4 to 5 word sentences, and for the child to remember those 4 to 5 word sentences. This also will have a lot of new verbs introduced with the help of the picture, which is easy for the child. Also, this will have more descriptive adjectives like shiny and smooth. So let's see. Verb, pat the puppy. So pat, and you can also do tickle. So pat, tickle, these are the new verbs. Make the froggy jump. So there is a pull over here. He pulled this. Can you see that? I'll try again. So make the froggy jump. You give it to the child would love to do it. Here, when you're saying it's shiny, it's smooth, let the child touch it, feel it, and you say, how does it feel? And the child says, it feels smooth, it's shiny. Again, here, give them a push. Again, forward sentences. So here what you do is, so make the child push. Here, turn the wheel to see pictures. So here's the wheel. So you turn the wheel to see the pictures. So the child learns a new word, turn the wheel. Unfasten Granny's shoes. So how do you unfasten? Okay. Here. Make the puppy wag his tail. So there is here. Make the puppy wag his tail. So it's very action-oriented, an interactive book which the children love to do and they can handle. So you don't have to use only this book. You can use any book. You can use any activity. This is just an example for you how to use these new words, new sentences in the activities you are doing with the child. The tips for this week is use lot of acoustic highlight and auditory closure. What is acoustic highlight? Where you put more stress on one word in a sentence. You select the word which the child has omitted in the sentence or the new word which you have introduced, that you say little louder than the other words to draw the child's attention to that word. Again, auditory closure means you don't complete the sentence, fill in the blanks, and wait for the child to say the word. So the new word which you are teaching, the child should be saying. So when you say, it's not heavy, it's light. It is not heavy. The child should say not. And you, if the child doesn't say no, you say, it's not heavy, it's light. It's not cold, it's hot. So only that word is said loudly, the child's attention is drawn to that. Also, repeat the sentences and continue with how question. You remember we were doing how question in different ways. How are you? How are you feeling? Now we are going to 5 senses. How does it look? How does it sound? How does it feel? How does it smell? How does it taste? So all descriptive adjectives with relation to the 5 senses. All this language can be used in 4 activities during the day. Which are the 4 activities which can be done with any child at any age, any time, any day? Play talk, picture talk, narration, that is telling a story, or general conversation with the child. The more spoken language interaction between the mother and the child, the father and the child, the more the language will grow, the more auditory span will grow, and the outcomes will be better and better. Thank you. If you have any doubts, any questions, even any comments, please write in the comment section and I'll get back to you. If you want to see the episodes before this, then a link is given below. You click that and you can see any episode from the 40 weeks plan. Thank you. See you next.